Shocking discovery. Experience the incredible Keurig K Elite single-serve coffee maker that's breaking the internet as we speak. Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best products on the market. Today we're diving deep into Keurig K Elite single-serve coffee maker. This product has been getting incredible reviews with NA premium luxury quality at an unreal price. It features trending home product found on Google. Save time and money instantly. Transform ordinary into extraordinary. Transform ordinary into extraordinary. Improve your daily routine dramatically. And the best part, it's available for just NA. The value you get for this price is absolutely unbeatable. Today only. Never seen this price before. Don't miss out. Massive 50% discount waiting in the description. Scroll down to the description for links and amazing offers. Thousands of satisfied customers can't be wrong. Add to cart before it's too late. Don't miss out. Massive 50% discount waiting in the description. The hottest item flying off shelves. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to never miss our exclusive offers. Everything you need is in the description. Don't forget to check it. You can get over 50% discount right now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to never miss our exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with more amazing deals.